Hello smart learners, today you will learn about how you can use Clay to get 1000 leads like a pro. Want to explore your lead list without spamming or scrapping? Let's talk about Clay, the ultimate secret weapon for turning your existing network into a lead generation machine. Whether you are a founder, creator, freelancer, or go-getter building your business, Clay helps you go from 0 to 1000 leads the smart way. Here's how. The following are the key concepts in the Clay. Before jumping into prospecting, here are some essential features you'll use. Tables. Think of tables like spreadsheets but smarter. Each table can be used to store and enrich contacts or companies. Second one is enrichment. These are automated tools that add data to your contacts or companies. For example, find work emails, find LinkedIn profiles, and get job titles as well. Third one is input. You can start with a list of name, emails, LinkedIn, URLs, company domains, and company domains. Clay then builds rich profiles around those. Fourth one is integrations. Clay connects with LinkedIn, Google Sheets, Zapier, Apollo, Clearbit, People Data, and more for data enrichment. So before jumping into the software that is known as Clay, first of all, you have to define your ideal prospect. You have to define your ideal customer profile. So start by knowing who you want to target. You want to target the industry which is working on SaaS. You want to target the industry which is e-commerce or health-based or fintech-based. So what is the role that you're going to target? For example, you are going to target the decision makers. You're going to target marketing directors, CTOs, CEOs, CFOs, or another technical person or manager of that company. Third thing is to define the location. Do you want to search the companies that are US based, that are Europe based, or you want to do global research? And the fourth one is company size. Do you want to target the company which has size from 1 to 10, or from 10 to 100, or from 100 to 500, or so on? So write this down. Clay works best when you are specific. So we'll start from the software named as Clay. Just write Clay in the search bar. So this is the tool software that we're going to use. Just click here. Log in with your Google account. So this is how it looks like. I've already logged in, that's why it's not asking me for any login. I'm logged in as James Wilson right now. So initially it will give you 14 days trial. It means that you can use it as much as you want within the limit of free features. And if you want to upgrade it, you have to go here, and as you can see that it's showing monthly plus annual subscription plan. So for a starter plan, it's showing us $149. You have to select the credits, and everything is free. You can create unlimited tables, export to CSV, use your own API keys, and up to 5,000 people companies per search. So in basic and free account, it gives almost up to 1,000 companies per search, but in the starter account, it will give you 5,000 companies per research. And there are Explorer account and Pro account as well, and you can explore these features on your own. Let's start with the basic and free version. First of all, you have to go here, find and enrich accounts to find the sample website. So you'll write here information technology. Sorry. For development. The second thing is industries to exclude. You can write the industries that you don't want results for. For example, you don't want the results for accounting companies, you don't want the results for airlines and aviation departments, animation, and so on. You can search it on your own, but for the time being, I'm leaving it as it is. Now you can write the company size. I'm writing here 2 to 10 employees, 11 to 15 employees, and company size of 51 to 200. So moving forward to next thing, which is company types. You can write privately held, public companies, partnership, self-employed, self-owned, and non-profit companies. We are not going to target educational and government agencies. So description keywords to include. You will have to write description keywords. For example, you're going to target startups, you're going to target the scale-up companies or SaaS companies. You can write the keywords here, but I don't want any keywords but I don't want to include any keyword, as I am not going to be that much specific. So, and you can write the keywords here that you don't that you want to exclude. For example, if you don't want results for a fintech company, you can write it here as a keyword. So I want results for USA, so I'm gonna write United States. It's enough. You can specify the states, and you can also exclude the states for which you don't want the results. And here's the upgrade version. Here's the upgrade feature, which is exclude companies. We don't want that for the time being, and start from lookalike companies. Here you have to insert the website link for which you want the relevant results. So I'm going to target here this company. It looks super amazing. This is software design and development service. This gives software design and development services. It gives services of mobile application, e-commerce solution, UX, content management systems, and it's super cool website. So just copy this link and put it over here. Okay, we're done with this thing. Now let's preview. So as you can see that we are getting thousands of results. So click on next here. Uncheck these two things and save and run 10 rows. So as you can see that you are getting results of almost 1000 companies, but not 1000 companies. So it is giving you results for the keywords that you have researched. For example, it's giving us results for 11 to 50 company size, 2 to 10 employees, and company of 51 to 200 employees. So it's also giving us non-profit, public, and non-profit, self-employed companies, and the companies that you have researched for. It's giving company name and the company description, that what this company is about, and it's also telling us the industry that this company belongs to, and it's also giving us location, exact location of that company, and the country for which this country belongs to, and it's also giving us domains of those companies. So it's also giving us LinkedIn URL. So for more research, you can buy its upgrade plan, but for the time being, it's giving us these results and these rows and these companies. So in order to move it as CSV, you have to click here, action. You have to click action and then export. So you can click Google Sheets, Smart Lead AI, Salesforce, HubSpot, and download CSV. I'm for the time being, I'm clicking download CSV. Okay, it's being downloaded here. Open it in a Google Sheet. So we want to import, okay, so So this is the file that we have downloaded recently. Spreadsheet, import data. Okay, you have to remove this column and this, then just bold it in case you know that these are the headings. Okay, this is the data that you're getting right now. So in order to keep it its rows in accurate column height, just click it. I'm sorry. Just click it and click Command, Shift, and down arrow key. Okay. So now you have to click Resize to, and then click Specify row height. Okay. As you can see that now you are getting exact similar height for the rows. So this is the domain column. We have to keep it at the first. So this is how you're getting the results from one lookalike company. As you can see, these are thousands of results. In our next video, we'll find that how you can find prospects or number of people or the decision makers from these companies and these websites and from these data. So stick with us to get more information about this. So with the help of Clay, you're not just building a list, you're building high context, highly personalized prospect flows. Instead of cold and generic outreach, you reach the right person with the right message backed by real data. So this was all from my side. Thank you so much for watching the video.